In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signing in Docusign 2026 step-by-step tutorial. 5 minutes. First, log into your Docusign account so you land on the home or send page. From here, you have two easy ways to get started. You can click Start to begin a new envelope from scratch, or jump into templates if you already have a standard document layout you reuse. Templates are great for saving time because they remember your recipients and fields, but starting fresh is just as simple. If you're using a template, select the one you want and you'll move straight into preparing it. If you don't have a template, click Upload to bring in your own file. Choose your document from your computer or a connected drive and wait for it to process. Using a clear file name helps keep things organized when you're reviewing sent items later. Next, add your recipient details. Enter the name and email address for each person who needs to sign. You can add multiple recipients if needed. Double check spelling here. Recipient emails are how Docusign delivers the signing invitation, so accuracy matters. Add a short message that explains what the document is and what you need from the recipient. A concise subject and a friendly note reduce confusion and speed up turnaround. When you're ready, click Sign to move into the Prepare and Tag screen. On the left-hand panel, look for the signature field. Drag and drop that field onto the exact spot in your document where the signature belongs. Take a second to align it neatly so it looks professional. You can zoom in if you need more precision. If your document has multiple signers, use the drop-down in the top left to switch between recipients before placing each field. That way, every signature field is assigned to the correct person. Color-coded indicators help you see which fields belong to which recipient. When Docusign prompts you to confirm a signature style, click Adopt and Sign to accept the default or your preferred signature. This step finalizes the appearance of signatures in the envelope. Once everything looks good, click Finish to exit the tagging view. You'll return to the sending screen for a quick review, confirm your recipient emails and your message, make any final edits if needed, and then click Send. Docusign will email your recipients immediately with a secure link to sign. That's it, your document is on its way. You'll get notifications as recipients open and sign, and you can track progress anytime from your Docusign dashboard.